Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to change password on Yahoo Mail. First of all, you can open the Yahoo Mail application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply tap on the mail icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here you can now tap on settings, and after this you can now tap on manage accounts. In the account and security section you can now tap on account that is below to your name, and after this you can now tap on security. Enter your passcode, and after entering the password you can see the page. After the loading you can just simply scroll down, and here you can see the option password. You can just simply tap on change password. In my case I can create password because I am not added the password in my Yahoo Mail, so you can just simply remove the first one password and enter a new password, and it is a way you can change password on Yahoo Mail. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Code questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.